Thank you. Go back. Oh, look at that. Where is he going? Bro, taking it upon himself to go run, man. He was like, I'm running, man.
Bounce when she walk, then bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap.
Oh, by the way, Casemiro is injured for some odd reason. He wasn't injured in the game against Spurs, but he's injured now. Nice play.
Number 20.
Hello. Really? Oh, this is a goal. This is a. Oh my word. Oh my word. What the? I hate it when that happens. It's just open up. Onana, man. Onana, man. Who is he? Get in, lad. Get in. This is why I picked my shot over Harden. Harden can. He's gonna be. I wanted to buy Ferguson, and then I realized I have Harden, so it doesn't make sense if I had Ferguson. You get it? Oof. Oof. Oh, fuck. In. Finally scored a power shot. Amrabat. Okay. I'm gonna sign Amrabat. I don't think I can sign Amrabat because he's 27 and is 80 overall. And where I want to take Man United, I can't have a 27-year-old that's 80 overall. I want to take Man United into a very clean, under 25, very young squad that's developing and still yet to go develop. Yet, if you play FIFA, especially if you, from FIFA 23 going upwards, it's very scripted. So with this, it might end up as a goal. In some way or form, something is going to happen. Oof, I was so close. I was really close. No, I'm not changing it. It's around. Toilet. Oof. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Man, I think I'm gonna increase the difficulty to automate because this is getting a bit comfortable. I'm not gonna say easy, but a bit too comfortable for my enjoyment. I don't enjoy the game when it's comfortable. I wanna suffer, but I'm not gonna judge it as of yet. I'm gonna at least play 10 games on Legendary, and then after those 10 games, then I'll decide on whether or not I should change the difficulty. Okay. Oh! Nice, Onana. Onana. What's the name? Okay, this doesn't even make sense. Why is the goalkeeper there? It's not like anything he's gonna do. Come on, give me an opportunity to score. Oh, nice game, boys. Nice game. Let me shake your hand because you are underneath me. I'm your master. Why are they showing us Holland? Do you think, alright, and this is a fair question, do you think a player like Arda Güler, I hope I'm pronouncing that properly, would be interested in a team like Man United? But he's playing for Real Madrid, I don't think so. Alright, let me show you the transfers. This is all the clubs sorted out. Okay. Paulson has went to Wolfsburg. That's a big signing. Just want to see what the teams in Chelsea bought Moreno, 47 million. Dortmund bought Calabria. Okay, I'm just gonna show the players that the teams that belong to my league. Not been that much. Yeah, it's not been that much actually. That's interesting. Valverde was sold.
Mo Ali, can you please meet Jennifer?
Number 3 and number 4. It's an interesting one. It's gonna be a very nice one. If we win this one, we go top of the league. So it's a very important game for me to establish myself in the Premier League. Please tell me it's off. Thank you. Go back. Oh, look at that. Where is he going? Bro, took it upon himself to go run, man. He was like, I'm running, man. Like, to hell with whatever the coach is going to tell me. If this doesn't work, I'll take the play. But I'm definitely putting myself in there. Look at that. Send it where it comes from. Basic skill. Oh man, that was a good run from Veron. I was gonna be pissed if we lost that ball. I was gonna be pissed. We hit them on the counter. Veron is the only person to make the run. That is concerning. That's the only concerning part about that goal. Calm down. Oh, can't see. What happened? Scored a goal, creates a pit. What happened? Ooh, he broke his leg. If he didn't get out of the game, then okay, he's gonna go that side. That was tricking me with me was looking. Ooh. When that happens, I do not like it because it opens up space. Anthony. Oh. Brazilian, beautiful boy. Does it again. He helped me out in the Spurs game. He scores against Arsenal. He just loves London, doesn't he? Rashford. Put on this. Oh. Oh, man. Okay, hopefully it doesn't affect the lighting. The ambience. That's what my... Oh! Yes. It was a good game, but it's a game that kind of puts me in a position to have to change the difficulty settings, increase them a little bit, make the game even more fun. Anthony, he deserves it. Had a good performance.
Manchester United are lining up as follows. Number 20.
Calma. Calma, Casemiro. Was that too late? Yeah, it was too late. It was too late. Do whatever comes to my head and hope. Oh, my word. Thank you, Ronaldo. How was I open that much? Thank you. Rashford. Oh, Anthony. Oh, Anthony, you drew. Oh, I shouldn't have done the power shot. I should have went. I think this power shot thing is getting into my head, man. I need to relax. No. Go. What do you mean the ball is still in? Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh no, lad. You Liverpool lad. Ah. That was coming. Let me see that. They opened up. Look at that. Look at that space in between. Oh man. Oh. They're not about to get off first lose to Brighton. Need to fight for that. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, it's a rod. Work harder. Oh, look at that. Again. Another one. I don't know what's going on with my defense. It's, they aim. I don't know what's going on with my defense. Oh my word. I'm playing I'm playing Bayern next. Oh, he's actually bad. He's lying down. Oh, it's a pain. It's a bad game. It's a bad game. It's a bad game. That's like. It is our first loss. Okay, I guess it was a bit premature. It was a bit premature to say that I'm gonna change the difficulty level. I think I'm gonna stick to legendary. That was a tough one to take.
I don't show it all the time, but deep down inside, like, I slapped out all y'all. Like, for real, but that's
things did not go well for a while. And it was hard to see. It's just nice to win one.